Looking for unique, high-quality gifts for your corporate event, wedding, or charity project? Welcome to African Things, where every gift tells a story. We create unique, African-inspired gifts for individuals and businesses, crafted with love and tradition. Shopping with us is simple. Step 1. Visit our website, www.africanthings.org, to explore a wide range of handcrafted African-inspired gifts. From customized corporate souvenirs to beautifully designed keepsakes, we have something for every occasion. Step 2. Customize your order by adding a logo, name, or special message. Need help? Speak with our skilled sales team to finalize your design, select materials, and discuss pricing. Step 3. Make a deposit to confirm your order and pay the balance when it's ready. Our team handcrafts each item with care, ensuring top-notch quality and finishing. We understand deadlines and work efficiently to deliver your order on time. Once your order is ready, complete the balance payment and we'll deliver straight to your doorstep. Whether you're in Lagos, London, or anywhere in the world, we've worked with top brands and organizations, providing them with high-quality, culturally inspired gifts. By choosing African Things, you're not just giving a gift, you're supporting local artisans and preserving African traditions. Ready to place your bulk order? Visit us at Banex Mall, Oniru, Lekki, Lagos, or shop online at www.africanthings.org. Need assistance? Call or WhatsApp us at +2 348 1667 25362. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn for more. African Things, memorable gifts inspired by Africa.